of the day. Here we go. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to present a thought of the day. Today's thought is start by doing what's necessary, then do what's possible, and suddenly you are doing the impossible. I repeat my thought. Start by doing what's necessary, then do what's possible, and suddenly you are doing the impossible. This thought means, first of all, you start doing the work which is necessary for you. Then do all possible works, and one day you will be the person who does all impossible works to possible. So keep on working and don't relax. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more educational and fun videos. Bye. Have a nice day.